Hi everyone. I wanted to share with you a process for you to use to make your own all-weather snow and ice studded tires. I've already produced one of the tires. This is just for the front wheel. And it's a pretty easy process, but you need to prepare and have a few things to make it go smooth. First thing is, obviously you have to select a tire that you want to stud. Now I use the MBS T2, which has a 6mm wall, and then to the top of the knobby is another, 3mm. And the studs I'm using are from Bike Stud, and the actual stud depth is only about 5mm total. So it leaves a lot of rubber and it doesn't penetrate through the actual tire wall itself. Most of it, if not all of it, is in the top portion of the knobby. You're going to need to create a tool to do this as well. So this is the soldering iron I'm using. I just took a flat soldering iron bit or tip and I ground it down, and if you look above you can kind of see the dimensions on it, but it looks like a little bit of a hook. And what you want to do is you want to insert that hook slowly into the tire till it's vertical, and then rotate that to create a pocket to hold the stud in place. It's really important to have a clean work area and organized. What I like to do is have the iron on. I'll take a stud out, I'll put it into my stud insertion tool and have that available, because if you put it in when it's still hot, it goes in much smoother, and I believe the tire actually will bond around the base of the stud itself. So let's do one of these. And I'm doing it today indoors for the video purpose, but typically I would do this outdoors because it does put off odor, and if you have a fan blowing just downwind, it's not a big deal, but inside your house it will get pretty stinky. So let's go and do one of these. So take the iron, first of all, loaded the stud, and I use a kind of a alternating pattern. You want your studs really to be probably in the center half or third of your tire. It doesn't help to have just one row of studs down the center. You want to have them alternating so you have some grip on the turn and cover as much of the contact patch as you can. The other thing is, have your tire inflated when you're doing this, because it makes it rigid and a lot easier to both create the pocket as well as install the stud. So let's do this. So I'm just going to pick this center area here. I'm slowly inserting the tip, then rotating the iron, take it out. You can see there's the pocket there. Inserting, wiggling it around till it's in, and boom, you got a stud in the tire. You'll see here the stud itself, the tip is tungsten, so that's really what rides on the surface, and then the body is aluminum. Should stay in there very well. I'll be running 4 of these, 2 on the backs and then 2 on the front. So good luck. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Try to help you guys out. Thanks. Bye.